Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn second chapter, construction of angles. In the previous video I have given you the definition of all the types of angles. So today we are going to learn construction of angles. So before learning construction of angles, I want to give some introduction of the instruments of the geometry box. So you can see this is called as the scale. As you all know, it is the scale. This is called as the protractor, which is used to draw the angles, and the measures given here, these are called as the degree. So this is used to draw the line. This protractor is used to draw angles, and this is a set square. This instrument is called set square. You can see here it is forming 90-degree angle. This is 30-degree angle, and this is 60-degree angle. So this set square is called as 30, 60, 90-degree set square. Now you see another set square. In a compass box you always have, for geometry box you have two set square. This is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 90 degree. So this set square is called as 45 degree, 90 degree set square. This is the instrument used to draw circle and arcs. So this is called as the compass, and this is the divider. It is called as the divider. You can take equal measures with the help of this divider. Now we are going to learn construction of angles. So first type, that is acute angle. You already know, in the previous video I have given you definition of an acute angle. Here still again I have written an acute angle. An angle more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called as an acute angle. So one example I have taken as 50 degree. So I will give a name for this angle, that angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. So 50 degree is more than 0 degree and it is less than 90 degree. Therefore this is an acute angle. So how to construct this acute angle of 50 degree? So first take the scale. Now see here, the base arm of the angle must be between these two lines. So here I will draw any measure a line, then give an arrow mark here. This mark it as a point here. Now take the protractor. You can see the protractor here, one black line is there, and then middle here you can see below this, here one small line is there vertically. This is horizontal line, this is vertical line. Where it comes and meet here, this point must be kept on this point of the angle. So keep this point on this point. Yes. Now adjust the protractor such that your pencil line and the protractor here towards the protractor black line towards the right must overlap with the ray you have drawn. So now this is on the pencil line where you can see 1 0. This side also 0 is there, but you have to count or measure from the 0 where it is on the pencil line. So this is 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree. So this is 50 degree here. So just put the point above the 50 degree. You can see one big line here. Other lines are there, very small, but a little bigger line, that is indicating 50 degree. So I have put the point. Now after putting the point, with the help of the scale, you keep your pencil point on this point, touch the scale. Then again come to this point, keep the pencil, touch the scale. So again see that on the point the pencil is touching or not with the scale. So adjust the scale in that manner and then draw the line. You can see, draw the ray, you can see the ray will pass through both the points. So mark it here. This is the point of origin of the two rays forming the angle. So angle ABC. So name this as A, this as B and this as C. So here it is of measure how much? 50 degree. You have to write it in this form. So angle, measure of the angle, measure M. M is indicating measure. Measure of angle ABC is equal to as 50 degree. This symbol indicates angle. Measure of angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. Now this angle I have drawn, this is the base arm and this arm I have drawn towards the right. Now this same angle we can draw it the ray as towards the left also. So this is to the right. To the right. I have drawn it to the right. Now the same angle we will draw it to the left. So I have drawn an ray which is facing towards the left. The arrow mark is towards the left. Now take this protector. Here I have marked the point. Keep the point this point. This point. Keep it on this point. And this line. Now it is towards the left. So this line must be overlapping the pencil line. So I have kept here and it is overlapping the pencil line. Hold it tightly. Now where is your pencil line? See, it's here. 0 degree is here. Here also you have 0 degree, but you haven't to see from here. You have to count from here 0. The next one is 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree. Here 50 degree. You have got a little big line here, black. On that line here you have to put the point. Now as I have showed you before in this angle, the same way take the scale, adjust the, keep the point, pencil point here on the point, touch the scale. Again come to this point, keep the pencil point, touch the scale. See that in both the places when you keep the point, pencil point on the point, your pencil point is this lid is touching the scale, is touching the lid. Then passing through the both the points you draw the line. Mark the ray this side in this way. So I have got the angle now towards the left. So this is angle of 50 degree. Here I can name this as A, B, C. Now measure of angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. So every angle can be drawn to the right or to the left. But for the exam when you draw, you can draw any one, whichever you find it easy. Now second example, 65 degree. I have named it as angle PQR equal to 65 degree. So in the same manner as the previous angle we have drawn, first draw a base ray facing to the right. To the right. Now take the protector. It is 65 degree. You can see here you have got between, see, this is 60, this is 70, between this you have got small lines. So these small lines, the first one is 61 degree, 62, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 65 degree is little more between these two long lines, little longer. And then you have 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 in this way. So you have to draw 65 degree angle. So in the same manner, this point, this line and the point here in the middle where the vertical line comes, this point, keep on this point, and the pencil line should overlap. So it is overlapping. Now hold it tightly, and then here pencil line 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, and this little big one, it is 65. So draw this, keep the, like this way, take it and put the point. Now take the scale, and as like previously I had taught you, keep the pencil point, touch the scale. Pencil point on that point, touch the scale. Both the points are touching the scale. Now draw the ray. I have drawn, so I'll mark it as here like this way. This is 65 degree. Yes. Now measure of angle. Measure of angle PQR is equal to 65 degree. We'll name it here as P. This is Q. This is R. This is towards the right. Now to the left. To the left we'll learn how to draw it. So again take the scale, draw the base ray between the two lines in the middle. Draw a ray, and the ray must be towards the left. This is the point here. Now take the protector, keep this point on this point. Now your pencil line is towards the left of the protector. It must overlap. Hold it properly, and then from this 0, not this 0, this 0 on the pencil line, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, then little smaller one, this is 65. So keep your pencil on that line, drag it, and on the book, on the page, draw the point. Now I got the point, so take the scale. Now keep the pencil point on this point, touch the scale, keep the pencil point on this point, touch the scale. See that both the points touch the points of the pencil and the scale. So when it touches, now you pass it and draw the ray. So we have got now this angle as PQR, and its measure is 65 degree. So you can write measure of angle PQR is equal to 65 degree. Now third example, 78 degree. I have named it as angle RST equal to 78 degree. So for this again, draw the base facing to the base ray towards the right. This is the arrow to the right, to the right. Take the protector. As you know, this point I have to keep on the point here. Then see that this black line of the protector is coincide or overlapping with the pencil line. Now this 0 degree you have to take, and you have to now put a point at 78 degree. So count from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Then a little bigger line, that is 75. The next line is 76, 77, 78 degree. Here it comes 76, 77, 78. So 78 degree. Now take the scale, keep the pencil point on this point, touch the scale. Here also pencil point, keep it, touch the scale. See that both the points, that scale is touching. Then draw the ray. Here we have got. So this is 78 degree. 78 degree. This is name of the angle is RST. Measure of angle RST is equal to 78 degree. This is to the right. Now the same angle I will draw to the left. So for this, between the two lines, draw the ray. Now this ray is facing towards the left. Here mark the point. Now take the protractor and keep this point on this point. See that this line is overlapping with your pencil line. Hold it tightly. Now from the pencil line 0 here, count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Then this little big line is 75. Then comes 76, 77, 78. 76, 77, 78. If suppose 72 degree is given, then you have to mark it 71, 72 here itself only. So this is 78 degree. Now take out the protractor, take the scale with the help of the scale, keep the pencil point on this point, touch the scale. Here also keep the pencil point, touch the scale, adjust both the pencil points touching the scale, then draw the ray. So this is angle of 78 degree. Name it as RST. Measure of angle RST is equal to 78 degree. This angle is to the left and this is to the right.